Hello everyone! Welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best first alert CO605 carbon monoxide detector. So stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Electrochemical sensor for enhanced accuracy. The CO605 uses an electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor, the most reliable and accurate technology available today. This sensor ensures precise detection of carbon monoxide, CO levels, regardless of the detector's location within the room, making it highly effective for home safety. Plug-in design with battery backup. One of the standout features of this detector is its plug-in design, which easily fits into any standard power outlet without requiring additional mounting. Additionally, the battery backup feature provides continuous monitoring even during power outages, ensuring your safety in all situations. Simple test and silence button. The CO605 comes equipped with a single test/silence button, allowing you to easily test the alarm functions and silence any false alarms or low battery signals. This feature simplifies interaction with the alarm and reduces the chance of being overwhelmed by complex controls. Loud 85 decibel alarm. When CO levels reach dangerous levels, the first alert CO605 emits a loud 85 decibel alarm, alerting you and your household immediately. The volume is loud enough to be heard from a distance, ensuring timely evacuation or other safety measures in the event of a CO leak. Low battery signal mute. The CO605 also includes a low battery signal mute feature, which allows you to silence the low battery warning for up to 8 hours, providing you with a peaceful sleep without constant beeping while you arrange for replacement batteries. End-of-life signal. To ensure continuous safety, the CO605 is designed with an end-of-life signal that alerts you when the detector is due for replacement. This feature is crucial for maintaining the device's effectiveness, as carbon monoxide detectors have a limited lifespan. UL certified. Safety standards are essential for a device of this nature, and the CO605 meets UL certification standards, meaning it has been rigorously tested for quality and safety, offering an additional layer of assurance for homeowners. Pros. Reliable detection. Equipped with an advanced electrochemical sensor, the CO605 offers reliable, accurate detection of carbon monoxide, enhancing safety. Convenient plug-in design. Easily plugs into any standard outlet and requires no additional mounting, making installation simple and quick. Battery backup. Keeps the device functional during power outages, ensuring continuous protection in all scenarios. User-friendly operation. With a single button to test and silence alarms, operation is straightforward and accessible to all users. Loud alarm. The 85 decibel alarm is easy to hear, even from a distance, ensuring prompt notification when CO levels are hazardous. Low battery mute option. Allows for silencing the low battery alert for up to 8 hours, providing convenience without compromising safety. 7-year limited warranty. Offers a decent lifespan and peace of mind with coverage that ensures the product's durability and reliability over time. Cons. Limited placement flexibility. Since it relies on a power outlet, the CO605's placement may be restricted to specific areas of a room where outlets are available. Replacement after 7 years. While the CO605 has a reliable lifespan, it will need to be replaced after 7 years, as indicated by its end-of-life alert. This could be a drawback for those seeking a longer-term device. No digital display. Unlike some CO detectors, the CO605 lacks a digital display that shows CO levels in real time. This might be a downside for users who prefer a visual indicator of the current CO concentration. The First Alert CO605 carbon monoxide detector combines top-tier safety features with an easy-to-use design, making it a leading choice for home CO detection. While it may lack some of the extra features found in other detectors, its core functionality, reliability, and user-friendly design make it a great option for any home. Protect your loved ones by investing in this high-quality, dependable device, and rest assured knowing you've chosen a device that puts safety first. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more in-depth reviews and product insights.